Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with essentials. Power the Macbook and plug in the charger because interruptions break checks. Once done, note the serial number on the underside or box. You'll need it if you contact Apple. If you can access system settings and are signed in, sign out of your Apple ID to remove Find My, otherwise keep going. Now restart into recovery or setup. This is the practical first step that forces the system to reveal whether activation lock is active. You now force the Mac to demonstrate its lock status. For Intel Macs, restart and hold Option Command R. For Apple Silicon, press and hold power until startup options appear. Choose Disk Utility only if erasing. Otherwise, pick Reinstall Mac OS or Erase Mac from the recovery options. During the Setup Assistant, if activation lock is present, the system will stop and ask for the linked Apple ID or show an email hint. Make sure to read that hint. It confirms which account controls the device. To finish, follow the on-screen prompt. If it requests the Apple ID, enter the credentials from the hint to unlock and continue. If you legitimately own the Mac but lack credentials, stop and gather your purchase receipt. Apple support can remove activation lock with valid proof. Make sure it shows serial number, date, and seller. If no activation lock appears, complete the reinstall, create an admin account, and confirm full access. Troubleshooting tip. If
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.